Alright, Trent here with my lesson on how to build a chair. First thing you're going to need is, of course, a blueprint. Got here our blueprint. There you go, you can see it's going to look somewhat like a chair. Hopefully we can sit on it. Of course, you need some glue and a B piece and a C, a D, an E and F pieces and a saw and a handy assistant with his eye protection. The other more important thing is you're going to need a really clear work area. It's like I've got here. So just make sure that there's not too much stuff in the way, and you'll be right. Yep. All right, as you can see, we've measured our wood out to be the length that we want. You can see beautiful sawing technique there. Finger down like a pistol, watching what you're doing. Saw, saw, saw.
Yep.
All right.
Nearly halfway, I can see.
Well, yeah.
Looks like it from here.
We've measured this correctly.
Yep. A bit through.
We'll see how we go.
A bit through. Wait.
This part of the job is so easy, even a child could do it.
Okay.
Don't cut your finger off, mate.
It's hard, but it's easy but dangerous. And the reason it's easy is because it's dangerous.
Okay. Good work, mate. Good work. Chopping up that wood.
Wait.
Right, we fit a snag. The two first legs aren't the same length. But I'm sure I can figure that one out.
Hopefully.
Otherwise, we'll have a rocking chair. Yay!
Yeah.
All right.
And we can't curve wood, can we?
Oh, well, I can't. All right, so we've got our legs, as you can see.
We're all a little bit shorter than the other.
They're all right on, bang on the mark.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we shouldn't get any wonk at all. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
All right. So now that we have our four legs exactly the same length, what we're going to do is we're going to chop these two bits in half, and we are going to use them as the supports. Chair.
Dad.
Chair. How do we make a chair? No, we've got a chair. Alright, as you can see, we put some liquid nails in there. And hammering, I thought, with my skill level, was going to probably just knock everything out of place. So put some decorative screws in there to hold the struts together. And this is just the obviously the base of the frame for the first bit. Alright, we've had our dinner break, and just before the tea break, putting the top slats on now. So I put some cross members there, as you can see. And so the jarrow is going to form the top part of the chair, or the arse part of the chair, and the remaining jarrow is going to form the back of the chair. Alright, so we've cut our planks to the correct length. When I say correct, the length that'll do. Big Christian here, help me out by cutting half these planks. Oh, that might not be the best screw to use. Let me find out, shall we? Live and learn. See how this one goes. Oh, there we go. Straighten that one back up.
Yep.
And we'll stick this. So I've used slightly smaller ones.
Okay.
Yeah, so that basically you don't scratch your backside too much. But there will be a cushion that will, well, I don't know if I'll make that. Might be another video. Not that I have any idea how to do that. So the next one, just mind your fingers. Obviously.
Yep.
Amateurs at work.
You don't want to drill your hands open.
No.
That's what they did to Jesus.
That would hurt slightly.
Yep. Or should I say a lot?
No worries, nose boy. and so on and so forth for the rest.
Okay.
Right, so what we did is we screwed in the front one and the rear one right at the edge. We measured the gap, and it was an odd number of centimeters for some reason. Probably shouldn't have been, but we had to do the maths in inches, and my maths is fantastic, and we have to spread these out evenly.
Yep.
So that they're not all, you know, well, wonky's one thing, but squiffy's another.
Yeah.
And we're going to drill that in, and we're going to screw it in.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, why not? Make sure it's straight up and down. Yeah, nice and easy to start with, yeah? Go.
Legit.
Yeah. That's it. Hold it steady. Hold it nice and tight. Maybe just put it back around to the front of your body.
Okay.
That's it. To see holding it correctly.
Oh, oh, oh.
It's alright, we can get it. No one died.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. And go. Alright, stop.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the base part of the chair complete as per the blueprint. Do you want to test it out, see if it's going to collapse? I mean, it won't collapse. It'll just be, yeah, just sit on there and we'll see how we go. Oh,
it's a bit.
Is all your weight on it?
Yeah. Here it gets a little bit sharp, but the rest
That's alright, we got some sandpaper.
it's just fine.
Fantastic. Look at the job we did, eh? Alright, so something that I may have forgot to mention earlier. Some of this softwood, probably all woods, I don't know, I'm not a carpenter, need a pilot hole to be drilled before you put the bolts in. So that's what we've done with all of them. Just a little hole, just to make sure the screw goes in without splitting the wood.
Yep.
Or you can use glue, like, well, I don't know.
Those are people.
I don't know. Anyway.
So, my dad here is sawing the last piece of wood that we need. And this is what the chair looks like so far. Pretty good, eh? And yeah, it's going pretty well so far. See. So first we went to buy the wood, then we brought it home and we, sawed it all apart. Then we put all these legs on. Then we glued these. Then we had a little break. Then we put on all these. And then finally we put those on. And now this is the order we put them on. This, and this. So if you want to be able to do it yourself, you should just watch it while you're doing it.
Do you want to see if it works?
Okay,
You can sit on it first, alright?
I'm about to test it.
Did it break?
No,
Of course not. Solid as a rock, mate. Solid as a
Yep.
rock. Good work.
Did you find
All right.
the camera?